I really didn't think I could get excited about a cutting board set, but this one honestly surprised me. I was sent this three-piece stainless steel cutting board set. It actually is really practical. It comes with a stainless steel side and a wheat straw side, so plus a few little extras like a knife sharpener, a scraper, and a finger guard. It's kind of everything you need for meal prep in one package, and it would be the perfect Christmas gift, especially for maybe someone freshly married or out on their own, brand new housewarming type of gift. I love the steel side. It's perfect for meats and seafood because it's super easy to sanitize and doesn't hold on to the odors. Then I flip it to the wheat straw side for chopping vegetables and fruit. It's gentler on my knives and keeps everything cleanly and separated. The built-in knife sharpener is surprisingly handy too. I use it before I start cutting and it gives my knives a quick refresh without needing a whole sharpening setup. It's also non-slip and dishwasher approved, which is a huge bonus for me because I hate hand washing bulky boards. The sizes are perfect, it's not too small and not too huge, so they fit perfectly inside of my cupboards. This set is honestly great for anyone who cooks regularly or meal preps. It feels durable, easy to clean, and just makes kitchen prep a little smoother. It's also a really nice upgrade if you've been using old plastic boards. I mean, I'm even using it here for my mother's banana bread, and I absolutely love it. I'm switching everything in my kitchen to stainless steel, and it's been fabulous. I absolutely love everything about it. I would definitely recommend this cutting board set to anyone.